Outstanding design defines the 2007 Chevrolet Colorado. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined 5-cylinder engine. The following features are included: a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, and air conditioning. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, a panic alarm, and ABS brakes. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Call now to schedule a test drive.